live withdrawal right now that I want to make on this platform. And I want to believe that you guys, you are seeing my platform now. What I'm having here right now is $101.83. What I will need to do right now, we need to come to withdraw. So when I come to withdraw, the next thing we need to do, I click on withdraw. So the next thing we need to do now, the minimum you can withdraw here is $3. So I need to put that 101 there. Which is 101. This is what I want to do, withdraw right now. The next thing we need to do right now, and $101 is 161,600 naira. So what I will need to do next is just to click proceed. After I click proceed, it's going to ask me to, am I going to withdraw through Crystal or through bank? So I need to click through bank. So I click on this. Then it's going to ask for my bank. So let me put my bank here right now. So let me put my bank there. So this is my bank. Then for the purpose of security, I won't put my account number in your presence here. Withdraw now. So I click withdraw now. So now this is just then confirm your withdrawal. I click on that one. It's going to ask for my PIN security PIN, which I'm going to put there right now. So that's it. It's going to confirm it now. So it's now said the withdrawal is in pending. So this thing is pending in the next couple of time now. So this is my dashboard here. You can see that out of that 101.8, they have withdrawn $101 there. So this is 83 cents now. For the purpose of transparency, what you can see in my account now, you can see that what I'm having here is just 1,312 naira and 85 kobo. So by the time this money is dropped, you are going to see what is going to happen. And don't forget that what the money I'm going to withdraw here from that platform is around the 160 something thousand. What you are seeing here is going to show you that this money has been paid. So like before, you are seeing 1,300 and something naira there. This is what you are seeing here right now. This is 162,111 naira 95 kobo, meaning that the money has been paid. Going to the home page of the Vivstock, you are going to see home, market, trade, history, wallet. So I want to show you maybe the complete version of the money, the time it paid is going to show you. You can see here right now. This is my last profit. This is deposit. This is I'm going to withdraw. So on the withdraw here right now, you are going to see that it said 101 USD completed. So you can see that this money was withdrawn at 18 October 2025. Time 27:10:20 hours, which is 27 minutes past 10, and this is the 20 seconds. So it's showing you this is a real platform, and I peradventure you are having questions on this platform. Just go to the comment section of this video, ask your questions there, or you don't know how to deposit on this platform. Again, just go there again. Just put your questions there. When I see those questions, I'm going to do justice to them. So on this note, I want to bring this video to an end, which is just the total life proof withdrawal, which is what I've just shown you right here. So I want to appreciate you for being with me from the beginning to the end of this video. I appreciate you, and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.